another gang rape was reported in the National Capital Region. A woman was allegedly gang raped by 4 people, including 2 police constables in the Delhi suburb of Noida. A case of gang rape has been registered and the 4 accused have been arrested. The woman's ATM card was also stolen by the alleged rapist and money withdrawn.
जो पीड़िता हैं वो शाहदरा दिल्ली के रहने वाली हैं और उनका ये कहना है कि रात में उनको फोन करके सेक्टर 105 में एक श्री गोयल हैं उन्होंने बुलवाया था। कुछ लोगों ने वर्दी पहन रखी थी और कुछ लोग सादे में थे और उन लोगों ने जो है वो इनको मारा पीटा और इनका एटीएम कार्ड, पैन कार्ड और कुछ पैसे छीन लिए। फिर उनमें से कुछ लोगों द्वारा जो है वो बलात्कार करने की बात भी कही गई है। तो एटीएम कार्ड जहां से पैसे निकाले गए थे उसके वीडियो फुटेज के आधार पे जो इनके मोटरसाइकिल पे कुछ लोग थे जिन्होंने एटीएम कार्ड से पैसे निकाले थे, उन मोटरसाइकिल के नंबरों के आधार पे जो है वो रात में ही कई जगह छापे दिए गए और उस छापे पर जो है वो 4 लोगों की गिरफ्तारी हुई है।
Let's go over to Tanima Biswas, who joins us for more details on this case. Tanima, can you tell us what happened? What details are we getting? We believe all 4 accused have been arrested.
There were apparently 5 accused Kajori and 1 person still on the run. What the sequence of events that have come out to us is that apparently the area, the neighborhood in which this incident happened, the victim along with another male friend of hers was actually there at a car, and these 4 other people actually went and approached them and started arguing with them rather, and 2 of those people belonged to the PAC and 2 constables from the PAC rather, and they actually started an argument first with the male friend of this victim, and then they actually beat him up and he managed to escape the spot, and after that apparently the gang rape took place. Now in this entire episode what the police are telling us is that they have managed to take into custody all the 4 of them. They are still waiting for the 5th person who was actually at that spot initially. He could also be looked at as an accused, but still, since he's on the run, they're still waiting to actually find him first and then question him and then figure out whether he is part. He could actually also be charged with the same sections or not, but they're still waiting to find out where he is in order to figure out what his role was in this entire episode. But yes, another shocking case of gang rape coming from the National Capital Region, ironically on the day when the verdict is expected in the Delhi gang rape case, the first verdict involving the juvenile accused for this matter, and even more cases which we have been reporting after December 16th as well. As far as the statistics are concerned, they are only going up and not coming down. The Delhi police of course claim that they are trying to file as many cases as possible in order to make sure that the complaints are not ignored. But yes, if we are to go by the numbers, this just goes on to show that even after the horrific gang rape which took place on December 16th, the incidence of gang rape or rape for that matter, sexual assault on women, has not come down to any major extent.